Hello everyone, I am Alicia Nunisa and you're watching Hills Live. Now let's start with today's news. News from Dima Hasao. Resentment over chaotic arrangement for training of election officials. Though the process of election is considered to be most important, but here in Dima Hasao, the election officials expressed their resentment over the chaotic arrangement for the training relating to the election to the 12th North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council scheduled to be held on January 19.
थोड़ा ठंडा है बोल के निकाला है।
अरेंजमेंट ठीक नहीं कर सका मतलब अरेंजमेंट ठीक नहीं कर सका।
आप लोग
खड़ा हुआ इधर अरेंजमेंट नहीं है, जगह छोटा हो गया। क्या बोलेगा, इधर से आया हम लोग खड़ा होकर देता है लेकिन अरेंजमेंट कमती है।
For training, hundreds of officials were invited from various parts of Dima Hasao to attend the training at Cultural Institute Hall on Wednesday, but without considering the space limit of the hall, and again another meeting was fixed at the same venue, colliding the training program, following which election officials had to work outside even on the vehicles.
এইটো কেয়াৰটেক ট্ৰেইনিং কিয় হয় আছে বুলি ক'লে এইটো ডেটটো যোনটো দিছে ভালকে দিয়া নাই এইটো কাৰণে কনফিউজ হ'ল এইটো কাৰণে হ'ল এইটো কেয়াৰটেক কণ্ডিশ্যনটো আপোনালোকে ছেটিছফাইড নেকি হোৱা নাই যি ট্ৰেইনিং দিছে ভালকে হোৱা নাই ট্ৰেইনিং ভালকে হোৱা নাই
Students and social bodies of Karbi Anglong burnt the effigy of Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal at Difu. Social and student bodies of Karbi Anglong organized mass tonsure program in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 and also burned the effigy of Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal in front of KSA office Lamding Road here on Wednesday. Karbi Students Association President Simeon Rongpar said, "We should uproot BJP party since BJP party is a fascist party."
I have been telling to the people of Karbi Anglong and Assam that BJP is a fascist party, dictatorship party, undemocratic party. They think only about their anti-secular policy, that is to make India into a Hindu and Hindustan. And the recent announcement made by Home Minister Rajnath Singh in the Parliament and passing the bill of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, it proves that BJP is a fascist party and dictatorship party because the whole Northeast has been protesting that the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 should be withdrawn. But now, as we all have seen, that the BJP party, without listening to the people of the hills people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao and the northeastern region, it means nothing but to destroy the very indigenous people who are inhabiting in Assam. Therefore, through your channel, I wanted to say that the BJP party has not created a history, but BJP has repeated the history of Assam. In 1821 and 1825, the Burmese invasion has been termed as Manordin, and in a Manordin, not only the Assamese people have suffered, but the indigenous hills tribal have also suffered a lot.
Assam Jatiya Yuva Chitra Parishad, Karbi Anglong District Committee President Jitu Fukon said, Today we shaved our head in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The organization led by KSA, AJYCP and 24 Thank you for watching our channel Hills Life. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.